Saying thank you is one of the most beautiful thing and takes the least of effort and which actually carries so much high value. And today I would like to thank Maddie for giving me an opportunity to join your course for podcast. I never thought podcast could be so easy. You have brought me one step closer to my dream. The course was self-explanatory. Just 5 days, you broke down the biggest myth of thinking, oh, it is impossible to launch a podcast, and made it so easy for me that on the fifth day, actually, I launched my channel, Home, which is Om of Home, where we reinstate that life is beautiful. You made me choose a name, the topic, the content, how to do it, what to do it. And many of the channels or many of the coaches today actually teach people what they actually know already. They just reinstate it like why you have to do it. You're one person who's actually holding, you take all of us and you teach us how to do it. And you make us do it, holding us accountable. So thank you very much for being a wonderful coach and in bringing so many of our dreams into reality. And thank you for making me put myself to good use with this podcasting ability. And if I have to actually say this whole course, what it actually, in one word, how do I say? You, I would say, are selfless. This whole course is mind-boggling. Anybody who wants to get into this podcast world, the least and the best you can actually do is to sign up for this course. Thank you so very much, Maddie. Truly from my heart. Thanks a lot.